Where's the speaker? Thanks, Kai. What? I know. Lucy's here! Finally. She's a Vibes player, and we're going to snack now. And Jerome's here. he saw the vlog. And he gave consent, right? You're okay with me filming you? Yeah, we're all good. I'm having mango pineapple, so I got really excited, but he said take too bad to get take. Pineapple? Andres?
For like $1,000 meal. $1,000 meal.
Really? Oh! He hears a bird.
You hear it, right?
It's definitely in here. It's louder. It just stopped. Where'd it go? It stopped. Dang it, it just stopped. Okay, we're crazy, let's go back.
Really?
She has one ball left and she wants to win. And Jerome is willing. No, you got to, you got to, you got to.
Come on, Jerome.
Don't mess up.
I don't know.
You got this, you got this, you got this.
You too, buddy.
Thank you.
No, Jerome.
No.
You lost it again.
No. I would have won.
Ew. On your thumb? No one's gotten a blister on their thumb yet.
Who's here? Laura. Oh yeah.
It hurts.
Whack.
Ew.
Laura still owes me $1 for buying her a piccolo.
Yes.
Hi, Trumpets.
Why? You like my hat? It's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, wow.
You better save me some, Elliot.
I don't like him.
This is Jessica. Band
This is Andre. Jessica's not gonna.
This is Jessica, band president. This is
Hi,
Sunday,
Katie.
a sunshine flower.
Aw.
Claudia.
I'm really like bored on video though, so we're gonna go to the bathroom now. Ooh.
I just had pizza.
Lucy! We found her. Jackson! Say hi to the vlog. That's not... Okay. I'm sorry. He's kind of like... stone face, you know what I mean? No, it's not. I told Jackson to say hi, right? And Jackson was like, my back hurts. And then to Jerome, I was like, he has like a really like stone face, you know? And he was like, oh, he looks like a crackhead. And I was like, what? That's not an omen, that's okay. You're matching Kai! You're matching Kai!
Oh, we are. Oh,
I do band vlogs. Look up my name on YouTube. There's already like 8.
8 what?
Band vlogs. 7 from last year.
Meeting adjourned. Day 4.